In this short tutorial, we will go over the settings screen. You can get to the settings screen by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner. In the settings screen, you'll notice several sections to help you customize your app. The first section allows you to rename your research assistant. I'm going to rename my research assistant to Bob. In the same section, you'll see how many AI query credits you have left. This is where you can purchase additional credits. Next, you can control where you see the research assistant by using the toggle switch. The Today Screen section allows you to customize the order of sections on your home screen. In this example, I want to move the section called Week Calendar towards the top of my Today screen. To move it up, simply hold the section and either drag it up or down. This feature allows you to customize your Today screen. If you back out of customized sections, you can also set daily reminders, which are separate from push notifications. Under Data and Reports, you can export your activities. This allows you to export your activities and send them to your healthcare provider or health coach. Returning to the settings screen, we find Health Tracking. Here you'll find your health profile, which will allow you to change your biological sex, your height, and your weight units. Going back, you'll find your health dashboard, which is very similar to the health dashboard you'll find on the homepage. Here you can check your BMI, your current weight, your weight trends, 7-day averages, and your Apple Health metrics. Let's go back. In privacy and security settings, you can choose to unlock the app with facial recognition for added privacy. You can also use stealth mode, which changes the protocol icon. Protocol also has backup and restore. You can create a backup or you can restore data from a previous backup. You can load demo data or you can reset all data. One of the most important features is the send feedback option. If you have enhancement recommendations or have any issues with the app, just click send feedback. If you have a product recommendation or you run into an issue, please attach a screenshot for easy troubleshooting. If you want to reset the onboarding wizard, click here. And finally, the medical disclaimer. Protocol is a personal tracking tool only and does not provide medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment recommendations. Information in this app is for logged and organizational purpose only. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before starting, changing, or stopping any health regimen. The use of this app does not constitute patient-provider relationship. In the next few tutorials, we'll go over the onboarding wizard and also some of the specific screens, including how to reconstitute your peptides.